Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. About this situation, I can create about complementary solution. And the next one that's about particular solution. Now I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. So if I do first derivative, you got about lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because if we do first derivative of this one, we keep about this one in here, and later that we do first derivative of lambda s, you got about lambda. And now we do second derivative, you got about lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solution, so for this one equals to number 0. So we need to change original function by this one, first derivative of the function by this one, and similar, and you will have about lambda square e to the power of lambda s plus 4 lambda e to the power of lambda s, and we have 5 e to the power of lambda s equals to number 0. Now we can do about factorization by this one in here. So we have this equation, so we put this equation equal to number 0. And now we need to find the solution of this one, and you got about lambda equals to negative number 2 plus I, and the second one lambda equals to negative number 2 negative I. So yc, we have c number 1, constant number 1, e to the power of negative number 2 s negative I s plus c number 2 e to the power of negative 2s plus I s, or you can write like this: c number 1 e to the power of negative 2s cosine s plus c number 2 e to the power of negative 2s sine s. And this is the technique to find about complementary solution. Because we have negative I, that's why you got about 1s. Now about particular solution, we see that we have 35 multiplied by e to the power of negative 4s. So yb should be about capital A e to the power of negative 4s. So if we do first derivative, you got about negative 4a e to the power of negative 4s. Because if we do first derivative of this one, you got about negative number 4 multiplied by e to the power of negative 4s. Now we go to second derivative, and you got about 16a e to the power of negative 4s. Now we have this equation in here, so I will put this one go in here, this one go in here, and this one go in here, and we will have about 16 8 e to the power of negative 4s plus 4 multiplied by negative number 4 8 e to the power of negative 4s, and we have 5 8 e to the power of negative 4s. So we simplify this one, and you got about 5a e to the power of negative 4s, and this one equals to this one. That means we have 5a equals to 35. So we divide both sides by number 5. And you got about 8 equals to 35 divided by 5. You got about 7. So YB should be about 7 e to the power of negative 4s. And now we want to find about y equals to yc plus yb. Yc, we just have this one. And yp, that is about this one. Now we have the conditions. For the first one, when s equal to number 0, y equals to negative number 3. So we put number 0 cone here, 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 and here. So we have first equation. So cosine of 0 e to the power of 0, you got about 1. So you got about c number 1. This one you got about 0 because sine of 0 you got about 0. This one e to the power of 0 you got about 1. So we have number 7. And now we can calculate about c number 1. So we put number 7 go to here. And you got about negative number 10 equals to c number 1. Now let's go to first the derivative of the function. So we need to do first the derivative of this one. After that, we put number 0 cone here. This one you got about negative number 2, c number 1. This one you got about 0. This one you got about 0. This one you got about c number 2 minus 28. So this one we have number 1. We know that C1, that is about negative number 10. So we put negative number 10 cone here to find about C number 2. This one you got about 20 minus 28 plus C number 2. So 20 minus 28, you got about negative number 8. And we put about c number 2. And now I will put negative number 8 go to the left, and you got about 1 plus 8 equals to number 9 equals to c number 2. And now we have the final answer in here. So we have c1 and c2. C1, we need to change about negative number 10. C2, we need to change into number 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching. This is the final answer we need to find in here.